Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online car showroom. And I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using the PHP version 7 and MySQL version is 5.6. I am running this project in XAMPP server. If you have valid XAMPP or other operating system, then you can easily configure this project on those operating system and the servers. But it must have the Apache 2, PHP 5 or 7 and the MySQL 5.6, right? So this is the server side technologies and the servers which I am using for running and developing this project. For front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used, like for form validations, date calendar plugin integrations. I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is online car showroom system. It's a PHP and MySQL based mini project, mini DBMS project, right? So this is the home page of the project. There is nothing on this, nothing dynamic on this page. It's a totally static page. I'm not rendering anything from the database here. This is about project, about us, right? So this is about the project. If you want to change the content, you can change it from the about.php. This is all cars. This is all cars means all of the cars which admin has uploaded will be displayed here, right? If you want to see the details, just click on the view details. You will be able to see all of the details of the car here. So you can see this is the all details of the car, right? So this all fields can be will be filled by the admin at the time of car entry. So this is all cars. This is the totally dynamic page. All of the car details are coming from the database. This is all of the companies which has been added into the database by admin will be displayed here, right? If you click on the companies, then you will be able to see the details of that company. You can see this is the details and the showroom details, that contact number, city, and all. This is a login. As I told you earlier, this is a mini project, and there is only admin user login here inside this project. So the user ID is admin and password is test. This is a contact us. This is a static contact us page, and I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I'm not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So let's start with the login. So the user ID is admin and the password is test. So once you log inside the system, then you will be able to see all of the admin options, right? So you can see this is the admin options, right? So let me go through one by one. So these menus are also available here. You can see their menus are also available here, right? So let me show you home. Already I explained you about us. I already explained you. This is a dashboard, right? You can jump on the menu from here. So this is the add customer. From here admin can add the customer, right? So you can see this, all of the fields will be filled by the admin, and after that admin can add the customer. This is the add booking. Add booking means if admin want to add the booking, means if customer wants to book the car, then admin will be able to fill this form, and this details will be saved into the database. This is the add car. So you can see this is the car details, and all of the details will be filled by the admin. This is a add company. From here admin can add the company name with the logo, and all of the details will be saved into the database. So this is the four ad forms. This is a report. So this is a customer report. You can see these are the customers. This is a smart table. If you want to search any of the details, then it will search on runtime. Even you can sort the details, right? You can set the pagination. If number of record on a page is more than 10, then pagination will be enabled, right? You can sort it also, right? So if you want to edit it, just click on the edit, and you will be able to edit the details and submit it. This is a customer listing. All of the customer listings will be detailed, will be displayed here, and you will be able to see the customer details here, right? This is a booking report. All of the bookings which has been made by admin will be displayed here, and if you want to edit it, then you can edit it too, right? If you want to delete it, just click on the delete button, and that record will be deleted from the database, right? This is the car report. All of the cars which has been added by admin will be displayed here, right? So you can see all of the car reports are displaying here. You can edit and delete that car from here also, right? If you want to edit, just click on the edit button, and that car information will be appear, and after that you can edit it. This is a company report. All of the company which has been added by admin will be displayed here. Even admin can edit and delete the company from here also, right? Search, all of the sorting option will be displayed. this is a my account. My account is admin my account. Admin can update his account details and the change password from here. Admin can change his account password and the logout. So this is the totally session driven menu. These options are coming because admin is login, right? If you log out from the system, then none of the admin menu will be displayed. If you log in, then again admin menu will be displayed, right? If you log out, then administration menu is not displaying, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project all in car showroom system, right? And it's a mini project, mini DBMS project developed in PHP and MySQL with admin login only, right? If you need more functionalities in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the more updates and more latest videos on the project. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.